Andromeda's journey of 33 years continues. Our journey is eternal. Our journey to build the OneAndro app, India's largest loan technology platform. If you have the network, we have the platform. To help you make big money, to be your own boss. An integrated platform for loan and insurance distribution with easy onboarding, attractive monthly incentives, quick bureau access, lead tracking, real-time eligibility checks, personalized product recommendations, practical sales training modules, and a pan-India network. From Shillong to Kanyakumari, from Leh to Akola, One India, OneAndro, 15,000 agents, OneAndro, 4,000 employees, OneAndro, one platform, OneAndro, uniting us all. Who is OneAndro?
I am OneAndro.
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 We are OneAndro.
Hitting Android and Apple App Stores soon.